Hello everyone, it's me Indramani Gewali, math teacher. So welcome you all in today's class. So first of all, today we are going to learn about quadrilateral. One example of quadrilateral. We will calculate area of quadrilateral, and then we will start today cylinder. That is one of the unit of mensuration chapter. So let's take one question of quadrilateral, and then we will calculate area of quadrilateral. Then we will move to next topic for today's class, that is cylinder and sphere. But basically, so I will discuss today about cylinder. Let's take the question. Let's draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So I am drawing this. Let me give the name. ABCD is a quadrilateral here. Let me join one diagonal AC. So I am also drawing perpendiculars from D on diagonal AC, and similarly perpendicular from B on the same diagonal AC. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral in which A, B, C and D are four vertices or four corners of this quadrilateral. Let me give name for these 2 points P and Q. AC is one of the diagonal of quadrilateral. D, P and BQ are perpendiculars drawn from remaining vertices, which are D and B. Two perpendiculars are drawn on diagonal AC. If suppose length of DP is 6 centimeter, length of BQ is 8 centimeter, and length of diagonal AC is 10 centimeter, what is its area? We can use simple concept here. In this quadrilateral, there are two triangles. We can divide this quadrilateral into two triangles, which are upper triangle ACD and lower triangle ABC. So area of this quadrilateral is sum of the areas of two triangles ABC and ADC. Let's do this. What are the given informations here? The length of diagonal AC is 10 centimeter. What are the length of perpendiculars? DP and BQ are, what is the length of DP? So DP is one perpendicular drawn from D on AC. Its length is 6 centimeter. And what is the length of BQ? BQ is 8 centimeter. Now I am using concept of area of triangle to find area of this quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is, area of this quadrilateral ABCD is equal to sum of the areas of two triangles. So what are the two triangles here? ABC and triangle ADC. So this is equal to area of triangle ABC plus triangle ADC. We can add area of two triangles and find area of the whole figure, which is quadrilateral. So for this, area of triangle ABC, we know area of triangle is 1/2 of base times height. Just look at ABC triangle. We can cover upper part of this figure and find area of lower triangle. What is the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle is 1/2 times what is base? Base is, okay, AC is base and height is BQ. AC times BQ, this is area of triangle ABC. What is the formula? 1 by 2 times base times height. Height is the perpendicular BQ and base is a line on which the perpendicular is drawn. So BQ is perpendicular drawn on AC plus what is area of upper triangle is same, 1/2 of base is AC times what is height dp. Now we can use these informations, 1/2 of, there are two ways now. We can take 1/2 times AC common and then calculate, or we can directly use the values and calculate the area of two triangles and then we will obtain area of this quadrilateral. AC is 10 times what is BQ. So BQ is 8 plus 1/2 times what is AC, 10 times DP is, okay, 6. Now let's find its area. We can cancel, okay, 2, 4 times is 8, so 10 times, okay, 4 is 40 plus 2, okay, 3 times 6, so this is 30. So what is sum of 40 and 30? 70 is square centimeter. So this is area of quadrilateral ABCD. So in the first, okay, unit of mensuration, we discussed different plane surfaces and their areas, different types of triangles with their respective formulas, and different types of quadrilaterals like parallelogram, rhombus, and this is one of the example of quadrilateral. We, okay, talked about this all. Now I am starting today next unit of mensuration. This is cylinder and sphere. Basically in today's class we will learn about cylinder. What is cylinder? What are, okay, different surfaces of cylinder? How do we find the base area, lateral surface or curved surface area, volume, circumference of base, and so on. So let me talk about now cylinder. We can see slide on the screen same time, so I am going to explain what is cylinder. Just focus on, okay, cylinder. We are talking about cylinder now. Let me show one, okay, solid object of cylinder. We can say, we know this is called cylinder. Now what is cylinder? Cylinder is a 3D solid object which has two plane surfaces, base and top. Plane surfaces, or these two plane surfaces are, okay, circular faces, base and top. Similarly, these two plane surfaces, base and top, are connected by one surface which is in the middle. This is called lateral surface or curved surface of cylinder. So let me repeat it again. We can see the slide on the screen that shows what is cylinder, what are the different, okay, surfaces of this solid object. Then we will talk later what are the, okay, different formulas to find different terms that we use in cylinder. Let me repeat it again. Cylinder is 3D object, three-dimensional object which has two plane surfaces called, okay, circular bases. This is base and top. We can say, okay, two ends, and these two plane surfaces are parallel to each other, and these two surfaces are connected by a middle region, curved surface, or we also say lateral surface. So it has three surfaces, but two different surface, means one plane surface base and one is curved surface. The middle region is curved. Now, if we see on the slide, top is circular plane surface, bottom is circular plane surface, but the side is curved surface. Now we are going to learn what is the formula to find area of different surfaces and to find the volume of this solid. Let me do one activity here. We can do it together. If we have one rectangular sheet of a paper, we can transform rectangular sheet of paper to a cylinder. So let me do the activity. So if we have one piece of paper, let's try. Let me take this. This is rectangular sheet of a paper. So I have mentioned here length and breadth. I have mentioned here length and breadth of this rectangular piece of a paper. With the help of this activity, we are going to derive a simple formula of curved surface area of this cylinder. We will transform this sheet of paper into cylinder. For this, we can simply join two breadths like this. If we join two breadths like this here, this is cylinder, where breadth of rectangular piece of paper becomes now height of cylinder, because initially, so I have written here, this is breadth. When we fold this or when we connect two breadths, this breadth becomes height, and length becomes the one side becomes circumference of top circle, and other side becomes circumference of bottom circle. So here are two surfaces different. Plane surface means base and top, and lateral surface is curved surface. Let me show the next slide. This slide talks about same process. In this way, we can obtain one curved surface figure, and this is called cylinder. Now let me write, with the help of this activity, let me write the formulas for its surface, lateral surface or curved surface area. Let's draw cylinder. We have already discussed what is cylinder. We have discussed this. Let's draw the figure. With the help of this figure, so I am going to explain what is lateral surface or curved surface area. So this is radius r, and this is height. I took the example of rectangular piece of paper. Here, this is a rectangular piece of a paper, and this one is length, this is breadth. When we fold this rectangular piece or sheet of a paper, breadth becomes height of cylinder, and length becomes circumference. One side becomes circumference of bottom circle, and other side becomes circumference of top circle. So what is area? We know area of this rectangular piece is length times breadth. So area of this rectangle is area of rectangle is, we know, L into B, L times B. area of rectangle is length times breadth. Okay, after folding this, length becomes circumference and breadth becomes height. So what is the curved surface area? What is curved surface area of this cylinder? Curved surface area, we also say this is lateral surface. This is equal to the area of rectangular sheet of paper. So L is circumference, which is 2 pi r times b is height. Length becomes circumference. So what is the formula to find circumference of a circle? It's 2 pi r. So curved surface area or lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r times height. R is radius of circular base of cylinder, h is height of cylinder, and pi is constant. We know what is the value of pi. After this, let's write what are the plane surfaces here? This is base, or this one is base. This is curved surface. What is area of circular base? We know area of circle is pi r square. Area of this end is also same, pi r square. Curved surface area, we know now what is curved surface area. CSA is 2 pi r times h. Area of base pi r square, curved surface area 2 pi r h. Now what is total surface area? After knowing area of bases of this solid and lateral surface area, now we should know what is total surface area. In fact, total surface area of any solid is area of all the surfaces. Area of all the surfaces means in case of cylinder there are two circular faces, base or two ends. This is first end, this is second end, and middle region is curved surface containing region. First of all, what is area of area of base pi r square? We can see on the slide. I'm going to write or derive similar formulas here, same formulas here. Area of base pi r square. Area of one of the base is pi r square. So if we are asked to find area of base of cylinder, we use this formula pi r square. Number 2, what is the perimeter? What is perimeter of base, or what is circumference of base? Circumference of base, here base is circle, so we know what is circumference of circle. 2 pi r. Circumference of base of this cylinder is 2 pi r. Circumference of base of cylinder is 2 pi r. Similarly, now let me talk about how do we calculate total surface area. Total surface area, let me write here, total surface area, TSA in short. What is total surface area? Total surface area of this solid is sum of area of all the surfaces. I mean area of two circular faces, first end, second end, and area of curved surface. So TSA is equal to area of circular faces plus curved surface area. Area of circular faces plus curved surface area gives total surface area of this solid. So total surface area is equal to now area of circular faces. Okay, there are two circular faces. This one is, okay, first end, we can say this is other end. So pi r square plus pi r square. So these two are the area of two plane surfaces which are circular faces in case of cylinder, plus what is curved surface area? What is lateral surface area? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. So we can add pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now we can take common from first and second term. So what is common? 2 pi r. If we take 2 pi r common, okay, what are the terms left? R plus h. This is the concept to find area of total surface or total surface area of cylinder. Now next term we have is volume. Let me write over here what is TSA. Total surface area is 2 pi r times r plus h. These different terms have units. The unit of, okay, area, circumference depends on question. So unit of area is, okay, this is square unit. TSA is also its area is square unit, and circumference is, this is length. Similarly, what is the volume of this solid? What is the volume of this solid? Volume of this solid is, in case of, okay, 3D object, volume is base area times height. Area of base, area of, in fact this is circular base, area of base times height. Area of base times height. So what is area of base? Pi r square. Okay, pi r square times height. So what is the volume? Therefore, volume is pi r square times height cubic units. So this is the main concept in case of cylinder. So it has one curved surface. So I am repeating, cylinder has one curved surface, two circular faces. So there are total 3 faces in cylinder, but 2 different faces. One is curved surface and other is, okay, circular faces or plane surfaces. So lateral surface area is, what is the meaning of lateral surface? Here lateral surface area is area of surface at the side. So what is the surface at the side of the cylinder? This is curved surface. So it's, okay, lateral surface is curved surface which we have derived 2 pi r times h. Similarly, base area is area of circle, pi r square. Volume is, according to the concept of volume, volume is area of base times height. And what is circumference? Circumference is simply, okay, perimeter of circular base. We know perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. I hope we all are clear on this. What is cylinder? What are the different, okay, surfaces? What are the different terms that we use in this solid cylinder? Now, after knowing all these formulas and the concept, we can take some of the, okay, basic questions for practice. Let me take first question here. Here we can read out the question with the help of slide. A cylinder has radius 7 centimeter and height 10 cm. Then find the following. First is circumference of base. We know circumference of the base of cylinder is 2 pi r. So what is radius? 7. What is the value of pi? 22 over 7. So we can simply find circumference of this cylinder. Similarly, number B is area of base. What is area of base? Pi r square. Let's put r 7 and pi. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 over 7. We can find area of base. Similarly, after knowing radius and height, we also can calculate other terms of this solid, like curved surface area, total surface area, volume, and area of circular faces. So there are two circular faces. So what is the area of circular faces? Area of circular faces is pi r square plus pi r square, means 2 pi r square is area of circular faces. What is area of curved surface? Area of curved surface is 2 pi r times h, means circumference times height. What is volume? Pi r square times h, or if we are given base area, we can find base area and height. We can easily calculate its volume. Thank you everyone for being with me in today's class, and we will continue this topic cylinder in next class. Thank you all and stay safe.